I am in such a mood for boba right now. I had boba like less than 24 hours ago. I just need to... Whew. Okay, Caitlin, you're only allowed to have boba like once a week. That's a lot. We're not gonna talk about it. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Caitlin and I am so glad that you decided to stop by today. As you saw by the title, we're going to be doing a DIY desk makeover while I eat my hair. Yes, like always. If you've been here for a while, you would know that I do have another video on this, but since my desk kind of needs a little help, I decided to do another one. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. That would be so appreciated by me. And I do DIY videos every single week, so it's a ton of fun. Stick around for that. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And I'm gonna try not to think about boba, but let's get straight into the video. We're gonna start off by making a little desk organizer. I know that's not specific, but I don't really know how to get more specific, so you'll see in a second. I took a sheet of cardboard that was pretty thick and I made this pattern that was like so badly drawn. It wasn't exact at all, but as you can see, it's just a shape that I think will fold together nicely. So once I had that, I just cut it out and then scored kind of like the sides so that they would like fold properly. And I also cut up, as you can see in the video, just so that everything folds together kind of like a three-dimensional thing. And you can adjust this to however you want. You can like change the shape of this or whatever. You just kind of have to imagine it as a 3D thing, if that makes any sense. Then I took some colors and I combined them together to create some nice cute blue paint, and I just painted both sides. And then once I had that, I just went in with the hot glue and I just hot glued the appropriate sides, folded it all together, and bam, little organizer. That sounds so easy. It actually took more than 24 hours because the paint would not dry, but I wish things were as easy as I show them in the video. So once I had that, I just stuck it on the desk, put my tape, what did I put? Let me say, I gotta check. It's right, it's behind me. Okay, I put my stapler and my tape, and it was bam. Those things are usually like floaters on my desk. They just kind of stay everywhere, so I wanted them all contained in one area, and this did it for me. Okay, next up, and this one is not that creative, I'm gonna be really honest with you guys, but I saw in a DIY video like 5 years ago, and I was like, you know, washi tape keyboard, I've attempted this before, but I didn't do a really good job. So what I did was I laid the washi tape of my choosing across the keys, then took an X-Acto knife, kind of sliced between them, and then went back with scissors and cut them all to the appropriate shapes. It took like 2 hours, but honestly it was kind of satisfying, and I'm pretty sure it will peel eventually, but it makes my keyboard look super cute. And last but not least, my favorite one is this pom-pom cushion seat cover thing, because, you know, I mean, I love my chair and all, but it's just kind of a plastic IKEA chair, so come on, I gotta spice it up a little. So I made pom-poms, which is probably my #1 DIY at this point. To make a pom-pom, you just wrap it around your fingers a bunch of times, take another piece of string, tie it in between, take that whole thing off your fingers, and then just cut around until it's a nice fluffy ball. So I made like 20 million of these, okay? Like, they took forever, but it was, again, satisfying, and I was listening to my audiobook, so this girl was okay. Once I had all the pom-poms, I took some felt, measured it out to the size of my chair, and then I hot glued them all onto the felt piece. And then took some Velcro and then attached it to the seat, and you know what, it's just so fluffy now, it's so comfortable, I can feel it, and it's just so much better than my little plastic chair. So that was definitely an easy way to improve it, and it looks freaking cute. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're a boba lover like me, this is your sign to go get boba because you totally deserve it and boba is amazing. No one can convince me otherwise. I hope you have an amazing week and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!